Hey there, and welcome to your first Safeguard tutorial. Think of Safeguard as the trusty safety net beneath your network's high-wire act, always there to catch you if things slip. Today, I'll show you how to get started and back up your network configurations. Safeguard is a powerful ally in your IT ecosystem. It captures and stores your network configurations and lets you roll them back if something goes wrong. Getting started is easy. Just click Add New Organizations. You'll see all the organizations you've connected to Boundless. Pick the ones you want, then choose which networks to back up. Some or all. It's up to you. Templates and organization-level configurations are included automatically, so no extra steps there. Once you confirm, Safeguard gets right to work. Backing up can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on how large your network is. It's like scanning a big library of books. More volumes, more time, but trust us, it's worth the wait. After adding organizations, head over to the organization page to see what's connected. You'll find three types of entities: organization-level configurations, templates, and networks. Clicking into any entity reveals its backup snapshots. Snapshots can be created manually by clicking on Backup, or automatically if you have Safeguard's change log detection turned on. With change log detection active, any changes in your network configurations trigger a fresh snapshot, keeping your backups current without lifting a finger. Accessing backup snapshots shows you a chronological record of configuration changes. The first snapshot you see is the latest one. If it's automatically triggered through change detection, you'll even know who made the changes and which parameters were tweaked. While the change log highlights only what changed, clicking Backup unveils the full set of saved configurations. For a detailed comparison between snapshots, click on Compare, select a snapshot, and see what's different. Ready to turn back the clock? Click Restore Snapshot to roll back any configuration. You can restore all configurations or just a few settings. Safeguard lets you preview what's currently live and what will be redeployed. If it all looks good, confirm and initiate the restore. This might take a few minutes. And there you have it. You're now equipped to add organizations, create backups, and restore configurations in Safeguard. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Also, check out our other knowledge videos for deeper dives into restoring snapshots, managing organization settings, and more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.